to a brand new video. Right now we're at Caleb's house trying to get his cat because she ran outside. And we're not gonna say she ran outside. And one thing I want to tell you guys is something. We are going to be doing something, and I'll tell you guys in just a second after we get his cat back inside. So we found his cat's inside, and that's good. And one thing I want to tell you guys is the three of us, these three guys, are going to be moving to Colorado.
Eventually.
We're going to be moving to Colorado after we all graduate. The only problem is Nate's grade lower than us, so he has to wait another year before we can all go.
You fuckers better be working when I'm in high school, motherfuckers.
Or unless you could just drop out, unless you could actually, for your last year, just go homeschool and we could all move there quickly.
Hey,
yeah, but if I go homeschool, man.
Catch.
You know I have the same thing at my house.
Got it at the car museum.
Yeah, so we're gonna be moving to Colorado. It's gonna be really cool.
Car museum.
And
the thing is, though, you guys won't see me a lot because if you guys are gonna work down in Colorado, I'm gonna be in the Air Force Academy down there.
Yeah, so I was thinking about joining the Air Force as well.
Well, we'll just have a house in Colorado.
Well, you guys are gonna have to go through enlisted if you guys are gonna do military.
Yeah, that's gonna be the hard part, is going to Colorado.
Yeah, because you're not in ROTC.
Wake up and have Mello right there with that, right next to your ear.
No. The Winchester.
Oh my god. That's a good movie, The Winchester. If you guys have not seen a Winchester movie.
We were laughing the whole time because that stupid image was in our head. We should probably keep going.
Every time the camera would pan past a door.
Alright, making sure Chloe isn't near us.
Oh god.
Where are you? Still eating cat treats?
She's still up there?
No.
I think so.
She jumped down. We'll be outside.
Alright, I'm coming out with you.
Okay.
Actually, I got my garage.
I might as well put this back. I gotta put shit back. So right now, we're not doing anything. We're kind of just chilling. Yeah, so it's been a crazy morning. My phone service has not been working well, so I haven't been able to really call anybody. That's one thing I don't like about my phone service. But yeah, it's going to be the really cool time. Us three moving to Colorado, being the buds that we want.
Like we all just could go to Vegas.
Yeah, go to Vegas, get drunk and get laid.
Be careful of copyright.
Yeah, so I'll see you guys in just a second.
I'll tell you guys something.
Right now we're not doing anything. We just stopped, and I am loving this weather. Even though it's windy,
yeah.
I am just loving the weather.
It's nice. It's a nice day to bike.
Yeah.
Really cool. Awesome.
One thing is I like about this school is when it's cloudy like this and it's like really warm, it's fun to play some soccer or football.
How was Fairbanks, by the way?
Nice, dude. It was 80.
I know, it was 80 here
almost
too.
The entire weekend, it was like 80.
It was almost 80 to 90 here, dude. It's so bad.
Yo, it was like 80 in Homer.
You got new trash cans.
Yep. What do you guys want to do?
I don't know, right around. But the only problem was...
do you guys like long bike rides?
I don't know if I could go long bike rides.
So we're not going to stay there for a long time. We're just going to go there, you guys can check it out, take a vlog.
Where?
It's near the airport.
Shit.
It's not that, dude, it's like a fucking 15-minute ride if you like ride as fast as I do. It's a 15, not even 15, like 10-minute ride. Fucking super easy.
I don't ride that fast.
And I'm carrying like what?
I don't know. So right now we just got to Caleb's house. We're going to be going on a bike ride. The thing is, my back is like sweaty as hell.
Alright, give the viewers a look of what we got.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, yeah.
We get the good stuff.
Tell them who we paid for. Tell them who paid.
Nate paid, bro.
Alright, yeah, boys.
Nate's been doing this for a while.
Making that fucking cash, my guys. Gotta see that shit.
Oh, shoot. Got some little pump on. He's not the greatest, but he's good. Yeah, so let's do this.
4.
4 Pepsis in there.
And then 4 Mountain Dews.
Why?
So it's just lighter for us.
Ah, got it.
Okay, that's 4 mine.
One thing is what we could do.
That's way lighter. I'm gonna put like 2 more in there.
Alrighty. Why don't we all put 6 in here so that we're each carrying about 6?
So
I'm carrying a lot more.
Because you have a sturdier bag.
there you go.
Let's hope none of these burst in my bag.
Oh, they won't, dude.
Oh shoot, my bad guys. My bad.
Is that heavy? Somewhat.
It's heavy, but it's good.
Thanks, bro. You're really awesome.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Look, I paid. What else?
You guys fell down. Where do you want me to put the box? Where's the trash can?
Right here.
Hey, your camera fell down.
Huh? I know.
Hey, you guys need any WD-40?
And my bike?
Yeah, so, my bad, my hand's in the way. My legs hurt because this bike is making me ride a lot harder.
That's right, I was supposed to help you with that.
And it hurts my legs, so. Yeah, so we're gonna give it repair. So what happened is, okay, can you guys see that? So this tire, this side of the tire will ride against right there. So this side of that tire will go right there and slow me down. So, my other bike did not do that. She was a lot comfier when she rode.
Anyone need a knife?
And yeah, so
A really nice knife.
we're just basically riding along. Also talking about a trip to Colorado, and yeah, we're all thinking about buying motorcycles so they're a lot easier and they're smaller. So, and right now we're fixing my bike like I just said again, and then we're gonna be on the road. And yeah, so if you guys have not yet subscribed, you might as well hit that subscribe button. But to the point, the button is broken and the numbers just keep going up. And if you can hit that like button in 3 seconds, I dare you to comment, hit that like button in 3 seconds. Sounds weird, but
hit that little bell.
you know, you gotta hit that little bell. Turn on my notification. Well, okay, not mine. I should say our notification. You'll be notified whenever we do
Join the notification squad. There will always be updates on that channel.
I'm sorry for the week upload. Guys have been away for a week, so I'm not recording on this channel without my guys, without the 907 boys. And we're doing a giveaway. If you guys want to be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers. Tell your family, tell your friends, tell their friends, tell their friends. And if you win, you will win a Nintendo Switch. This is not a fake giveaway. This is an actual real giveaway. And yeah, so if you guys want to be entered, get this channel to 1,000. Turn on our notification and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. And brand new videos will be pumping out every once in a while. It's just that I can't be recording every day because I got work and stuff. So yeah, so just turn on the notifications, subscribe, like, and peace. So right now we're just fixing my bike. Mello's doing good. Nate's over there just saying once in a while, hit that little bell. Not really, but
Hit that little bell.
yeah. So yeah, it's a pretty nice day out. It's still the same way as we last saw, and
The fuck?
if you guys don't subscribe, Nate will come in and write his name on the wall. So subscribe.
Oh, shit. Dude, I got this thing stuck.
Oh, fuck.
Like,
Is it stuck?
Try pulling it.
hold this.
No, let me see it. Let me see it. I know how to get this shit off.
So Mello got this thing stuck on my bike.
Alright, give me a second. Oh, shit. Never mind. There we go. One sec.
It's the strength of the wrist, my guy.
He's a hockey player, so these hockey players have a lot of strength. He's also a doctor. He can
Let me see your knee, bud. I'm just gonna tap it real quick. Ready?
Great.
just like ah.
Fucking his knees. I just
Do the
Yeah.
steak leg.
Do the sticky leg.
It'd
Damn.
Oh shit! I
be like the Orange Justice.
Ooh. Hit that one, Justice.
Yeah, that's how your legs. That's how your legs would be like if
Oh
you
my
were
God, my
able
knees
to
are
break
fucking
them.
hurt, man.
And then just hear all the crackling sound.
Imagine.
Look at this. I am actually. There's actual sweat dripping down my face.
Yeah, it's
What the
bad.
hell?
Caleb's hat's raining.
That's better.
Here, give me the other reference.
Oh.
Oh, that's my fun breaking thing. There we go.
Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah, in just a second.
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna be heading on the road, and we'll see you guys when we get to the federal place. Well, that's not really federal; it's just basically a landmark.
It's an unknown location for plane spotters to go. It's a really neat spot. We watched 787 take an emergency landing there with a UPS, one of the newest planes they got from Boeing.
Yep.
What happened was me and my friend Riley, we were fuck.
That's sweat.
Oh. But yeah,
Why the fuck is it orange?
back to the subject though. Me and my friend Riley, we were plane spotting. Check out his Instagram. It's I think it's what was it? @Riley Hope. Just type that in. It should be there. Or Alaskan Plane Spotter. There you go. Alaskan Plane Spotter. That's him. That's his Instagram. Check it out. Really neat pictures. It's legit. I was there, and so he took. So that 787, what I was talking about, he landing gears wouldn't go up, so they dumped about 100,000 gallons worth of fuel into the Cook Inlet. Then they came in for a high pass and then a low pass. And then the landing gear the whole time couldn't go up, so we're like, oh
My bike
shit.
tire
So,
left? Oh.
oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna have to fill up my tires too.
They feel fine. That's how they be doing it at the barber now.
Wait, hold on. You see it? Let me see. No, I got you.
Yeah. Wait, gotta be fast with it.
Bro, the newest gun in Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Yeah, so right now we're just having fun in Caleb's garage. And we were just coming up with an idea for new guns in Call of Duty, and that'd be the Air Blaster.
It shoots air so fast that it kills, that it liquefies their insides.
Okay, you need your bike changed. That's gonna be
that's
$2,000.
That's gonna be $50.
That's gonna be $50.
$50.
We're not trying to make fun of Asians. We're just not making fun
it's
of.
South Park.
Yeah.
South Park, yeah.
But seriously, that's gonna be about $50.
That's it. That's it. Okay, good.
Good?
Yo, fuck yeah, dude, it's good.
What about the rear tire?
No, the
Yeah,
back
so-
tire's good. It's just my front tire because I've been putting so much pressure on it.
Okay, you mind if you check my tires? You might want to check mine. I don't know how good mine are.
No, it's because it's just took a lot of.
They good? They're good.
Yeah, because your tires are a lot smaller than mine.
Mellow gives me that discount, that Mellow discount.
Free one pump.
So I'll see you guys in just a second. So right now we just made it to our spot. My fucking god, I'm loving it. Cause you got, yeah. We got Ted Stevens International Airport.
Throwing rocks or shit, just accidents.
We got some airplanes over there. I am loving this because I get to see Alaska Airlines over there, Delta, United, and
Air control tower.
yep. And like this is awesome. I felt like crying because I am like so happy right now. Nate just showed us the best place on there's an Alaskan Airlines 737 right there that just landed. Or it's actually probably. Yo, would you see that plane's taking off or landing?
That was landing.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, this we don't fucking.
Like, look at it. Like, it's so amazing. Look how small and it's so amazing. This is a beautiful place. So I'll catch you guys in just a second.
Better than
I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, that like button, subscribe, turn up. We're at
subscribe button, hit that little bell. Hit that like button, be part of that notification. Always daily uploads, so let's see you guys tomorrow.
well, most of the time, and if you yeah, so if you guys did enjoy, if you guys want to see more videos like this, turn on the notification, subscribe, and like that button, like the video. And if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway, get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers. Let's do it, and see you guys.
We will actually give a Nintendo Switch.